So hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video. Believe me guys, this video is gonna be so informative and interesting. In this video we are gonna deeply discuss about how WhatsApp end-to-end encryption technology works. So if you are a WhatsApp user, you may have seen this word called end-to-end encryption in your chats or video or voice calls on WhatsApp. So what is end-to-end encryption? How does it work? Let's begin. So first of all, what is encryption? So guys, encryption is a word used to store something really safe and secure. So simply in one word we can call it as keeping something private. So to protect your privacy on WhatsApp bought a new technology called end-to-end encryption. So you may have seen this word while you are using WhatsApp. So now let's know about how does this thing work. So to send and receive messages on WhatsApp securely and privately, WhatsApp uses this end-to-end encryption technology. So for example, if you type hi and send it to your friend on WhatsApp, your message hi will be first sent to WhatsApp server. And there the server encrypts your message into a secure format. So as you can see an example on the screen. So your typed message gets encoded into a secure code language. And from there it will be sent to your friend's WhatsApp account. So after your message gets encrypted by the WhatsApp server, your message will also be get logged. So basically, encoding a message into a secure format and locking is called encryption. And decoding it into human language and unlocking the message is called decryption. So to decrypt the message you sent, your friend needs a key to unlock the message, which is locked by the server. So where do we get the key from? So guys, when you install WhatsApp on your phone, two keys will get automatically generated. One is public key and the other one is private. So public key is stored in the WhatsApp server, which helps to encrypt every message you send. And the private key is stored locally in your mobile. So the role of the private key is to decrypt every message you receive on WhatsApp and convert it into human language. So basically guys, without public key your message cannot get encrypted and locked, and without private key you cannot unlock a encrypted message. So why does the WhatsApp server lock your message? So guys, encrypting your message with a public key and locking is a very important and crucial part to protect your privacy. So with this message locking technique, only the person with the single private key, that is only your friend, can view the message you send on WhatsApp, and only you can view the message sent by your friend. So without the private key stored locally in your mobile, no one, not even WhatsApp, can view your messages. So you can maintain a good privacy with this technology. So guys, here is a pro tip for you for watching this video till the end. So to enhance your privacy to next level on WhatsApp, here is a tip guys. So open your WhatsApp app and go to your friend's profile and click on an option called encryption. So now scan your friend's QR code on your WhatsApp and your QR code on your friend's WhatsApp to verify your keys, and this improves your security. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to show your support. Have a great day guys.